Welcome. We are making our websites a little bit better in the sense that we have several new ISOs. There are now 33 desktops on ArcoLinux, and CHDWM has just been created. The next article that we need to make is the one for Hypr. Now let me do a clear and preload of cache, which is technical term of saying there it is. Hypr and Barry, those two guys still need to be built and documented. So Hypr is this system, and the information is changed, and that's all you need to know basically. And every single video on this build your own ISO is the same. So this is what we need. Control-C. And let's go to the desktop. That can go now. And probably as well. Not sure. I'll look into it later. So whoop and whoop. And then git clone. Better take a look at that. Again, Control-Shift-V, not type git clone, but just git clone. Otherwise you have git clone, and then you get this error. So this is what you need. We've cloned it from the internet, and all you need to know is you can build the ISO right now without changing anything like this. Let's do that. And in the meantime, investigate that you could have done before launching this. You could have gone to the packages. Also, the personal repo is possible as well as the Nemesis repo. But in here is a long list of packages. What do you want to have on the ISO? I like to have Steam on the ISO. Steam. There it is. ArcoLinux Meta Steam. Or just Steam. F12. Yay, Steam. Alright. We have our meta packages. Oh yeah, true. This will not work. In the meantime, we've already changed the names. Steam NVIDIA, Steam Intel, Steam AMD. Just if there would be any differences between them, then we have the possibility to do so. So it's something that needs to exist, and it's coming from multilib. This one, that one. I think one is dependent on the other. But anything that's not on AOR, let's say it like that. Anything that's not on the AOR, so multilib is good, community is good, repos on ArcoLinux is good, can go on the ISO. So not this. I'll just delete the line later on. So that's gaming and all that. Not my thing, you know that. I even get sick when I game, so not a great gamer at all. Add more icons to it, more fonts to it, more cursors to it, more applications to it. But stick to the things you know. Just start at the bottom. Don't start in the beginning. This is the technical stuff from Arch ISO. You better leave drivers and all that, unless you know what you're doing, right? You can change, of course, anything you like, but you'll mess maybe things up. So that's up to you. Here it starts to become normal, so to speak. Software. Chromium, do you want it? Darktable, do you want it? Deadbeef, do you want it? Evolution, Mail Client, so on and so on. Of course you need to know the names, but that's indeed entirely up to you to get to know the Linux packages. You just put the hashtag in front of it, or you delete it. It's on the ISO. Simple as that. Alright, let's pause the video now and wait for the ISO to pop out. Here he is, pulse recording. Alright, let's have a look. The ArcoLinuxB out. Sorry, is this one. We got for 2.2 gigs, and the more you put on, the bigger it gets, the more you throw away. Well, the better it gets, and you have to install everything later. Alright, next video, let's install our own build your own ISO project here.